Were you able to watch the documentary film? How did you feel after watching the film? Okay, I'd like to ask some questions with you. Well, the truth is, you don't need to answer, but you can think and reflect on them. Okay? So, kids, what can you say about the children of your age in the film? Are they as fortunate as you? Do you need to work so your parents can send you to school? Or have you learned to appreciate what you have compared to those kids? Now, did you learn to value your education as much as they do after watching the film? Think about that, kids. And I hope that you will learn to be grateful and be appreciative of what you have. Okay? So now, I'd like to give some reactions regarding the documentary film that we have watched. And I would like to give it in a sentence, okay? So listen. Did you recognize that you are as fortunate as a prince or a princess? Have you ever wondered why there are children like you who suffer in hell here on earth? You know, when I first watched this film, my heart broke. I almost drowned with my own tears and sobbed like a crying baby. I remember a scene that they were in a hurry because the sky is also saddened with their situation. Okay, children, let's get real. You may be thinking that I sounded strange here. Well, actually, we are going to discuss figures of speech, and our objective for today's lesson is to analyze the figures of speech, that is the simile, metaphor, personification, and hyperbole in a given text. So let's get started. Now let's see what figures of speech are highlighted in my sentences. Let's know some commonly used figures of speech. One is simile. Simile is a figure of speech that shows direct comparison between two objects using as and like. Let's see the example. Did you recognize that you are as fortunate as a prince or a princess? What is the highlighted phrase? Yes, as fortunate as a prince or a princess. What are the words being compared? Yes, fortunate and prince or a princess. Very good. What word is used to compare them? We use the word as. That's right. Now, another example. I sob like a crying baby. What is the highlighted phrase? Sob like a crying baby. Okay, what is the words being compared? Crying baby. Okay, what is the word that we use to compare them? We use the word like. Okay? So another figure of speech is a metaphor. Metaphor is a figure of speech that suggests comparison between two objects without using as or like. Example, have you ever wondered why there are children like you who suffer in hell here on earth? What is the underlined phrase? Yes, suffering hell here on earth. What are the two words being compared? Hell and earth. Very good. Another figures of speech is personification. Personification is a figure of speech that gives human qualities to objects or things. Let's see an example. The sky is also saddened with their situation. What is the underlined phrase? Yes, sky is also saddened. What is the object or element that is saddened? Yes, the sky. Is Sky a human? No, it's not. Yes, it is sudden because personification gives human qualities to objects or things. So a personification again is a figure of speech that gives human qualities to objects or things. Okay? So another figures of speech is hyperbole. Hyperbole is a figure of speech that shows exaggeration to achieve an effect. Examples are, when I first watched this film, my heart broke. Another example, I almost drowned with my own tears. Okay? What are the exaggerated phrases? Yes, my heart broke. And another is, drowned with my own tears. What is a figure of speech? From the discussions that we had, from the definition that I gave you for the different kinds of figure of speech, and the examples that I have given you, can you give me the qualities of figures of speech? Yes, meanings are not literal. And another, it is designed to make a comparison. It provides a dramatic effect. Functions as literary device. Therefore, a figure of speech is a word or a phrase function as literary device that has a rhetorical meaning that creates emphasis, freshness, and effect. Okay, so a figure of speech is used in a literary device so that it can create emphasis, freshness, and effect to our narrative or any other kind of narration or any other kind of literature. Okay, so now that we know already what are the figure of speech and the definition, let us identify the figure of speech using the following sentences. Number 1. One day they wish that heaven would smile at them. What figure of speech is this? Yes, heaven will smile at them. That is personification. That's right. Another, number 2, Maki Pulido is an angel in disguise. What figures of speech is this? Yes, that is metaphor, because we are comparing Maki Pulido to an angel. But we did not use the word as and like. Another, Javen's dream is as high as a staple. What figure of speech is this? Yes, that is simile because it uses as. Very good. Number 4, the children carry the entire world. What figure of speech is that? Yes, that is hyperbole because it gives exaggeration. Carry the entire world. Okay? Another is, his arms is as strong as the woods. What figures of speech is this? Yes, that is simile because it used the word as. Very good. Now, get a piece of paper, go to the My Bitmoji classroom, and click the clock, answer the activity prepared for you.